today's video, I wanted to show you guys how I achieved this awesome heatless style by using the curl formers. And by the curl formers, I mean both the Hydra curl former and the dupe curl formers that fashionistas and naturalistas have been using for many years now to achieve curls. So before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You also click on the bell button right over here so that you are able to receive notifications whenever I upload a new video. So if you would like to see how I achieve this beautiful, bouncy, shiny, curly look, then make sure you keep on watching. Let's get started. Here are the materials that you will need. First of all, the curl former rollers that you can find on Amazon, the curl former wand which comes with your set, the Hydra curl former, 4 hair clips, and last but not least, a spray water bottle. I started off with freshly cleansed hair that was detangled and divided into medium-sized twists. Then I split the twists between 4 sections of my hair with my clips. Because the curl former roller set comes with 40 rollers, I decided to do 10 rollers per section. First, grab a small section of hair to work with and saturate it with lots of water, making sure to distribute the water evenly throughout the hair strand. Afterwards, grab a downsized amount of the Hydra curl former and rub it between your palms to activate the gel. Once activated, spread it from root to tip. You are now ready to apply your rollers. If the hair strand you are working with seems too big, split it into 2 and begin applying your rollers. Remember, you will be using 10 rollers per section. As you can see, I like to alternate between the pink and orange rollers. Why? Because each roller curls in a different way, so alternating them creates more volume for my hair. Make sure you take your time doing your rollers. It takes some time to get them right. Rushing through this process can rip some of your precious hair strands out, and that is something that we absolutely do not want. If you're still having trouble applying the curl former rollers, check out this video on how to apply them correctly. Here's a quick tip though. I find that twisting the hair strand at the root makes applying the curl former roller easier. So we're almost done, so let's do a recap. First, grab your section and spritz it with water, then apply your curl former, twist the hair at the root, and proceed to apply your hair curl former. Also, remember that the bigger the section, the more water you will have to use, and the more splitting you will have to do to your hair. The smaller the section, the better curl definition you will get. You need to leave the curl formers on for 3 to 4 hours. If you do not, some of your curls will look like my front curls here shown. I ended up going back and applying 2 curl formers at the front one more time, and when it dried, the final result was lovely like this. Once the hair was fully dry, I separated each curl once to create this furry fro. I like pairing both curl formers together because they give my hair volume and set my curls nicely. I love the shine and loose romantic curls that I get with this hairstyle. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite heatless hairstyle is. And if you'd like to see more tutorials like this one, make sure to give me a thumbs up. See you next time, fashionistas. Thank you so much for watching.